Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out your high beam bulb, also known as your daytime running light, on a 2013 to 2017 Subaru Crosstrek. It's very simple and anybody can do it. Why take the chance of not being able to light up the whole road at night when you're driving? Get that bulb replaced. Let's flip the camera around, we'll show you which bulb we're going to be going for, and then we're going to start pulling some bulbs out. Okay, so this is the bulb we're going to be going for. This is your high beam, but on Subarus they use them as your daytime running light. But they run them at half power. Let me show you the difference here. Alright, so here we are on the driver's side, and right there is your daytime running light slash high beam. Alright, now this bulb is a 9005 bulb. You can get a standard bulb pretty cheap. There's nothing saying you have to go to Subaru for them. Sylvania also offers a couple different variations of the light in a couple brightness levels, but as those levels of brightness go up, you're also going to be paying a higher price. So to get this one off, I'm going to try pulling the connector off first. So I'm going to push here with my thumb on the outside of the connector and just slide it off. So grab the light, turn it counterclockwise, and this one's pointing at 3 o'clock now. There you are. So when we put these back in, and you pull them out of your new package, the best thing I can suggest is wear gloves. No matter how much you wash your hands, you're not going to get rid of that, all the oils and any sort of debris you have on your fingers. So if you start touching the bulb, it's going to start leaving fingerprints on that bulb, and those are going to be hot spots on the bulb now, and that is more than likely going to shorten the life of your bulb. So when I put this back in, if you do end up touching this and you're not wearing gloves, use alcohol wipes or lens cleaning wipes, anything to clean that oil or any debris that you got on the bulb. So just make sure they're clean when they go back in. We'll put this in here at 3 o'clock. Rotate it back into place. Now same thing with this. This has got a little notch in there, and it will only plug on one way, and you're not going to get the low beam bulb confused with the high beam bulb. Push on until you click it, and this side is done. Alright, so first off, we're going to have to take out this snorkel. So you're going to come here to this little grommet here with a flathead screwdriver, turn until it pops up a little bit, grab that center, rotate it around in a circle till it comes out. Then we just pull the snorkel at an angle. Alright, so here we are. Here's our daytime running light slash high beam. This time I'm just going to unplug the whole unit as one piece. So we're going to turn it counterclockwise, get out of its hole, now it's out of the hole. We're going to push on the little tab on the back here on the connector. Sometimes what you have to do is push on that bulb in a little bit to release that connector, and then just slide the whole thing out. Now you put this in, see little notches on the inside there? They only go on one way onto this connector. So take and slide this back on the connector. It clicks. Put it back in its hole. Rotate it back into place. That's it. Just watch this end of the snorkel when you're putting it back in. Slide it in there. Get my holes lined up. I'm going to take these grommets and go push the centers out of them. Put it in, push it down until it clicks. Same thing on this side. And that's it. So that's all there is to it. Right now I have my high beams on. I can feel the heat coming off. But there's no sense in driving around with one working light. I always replace mine in pairs. At least I know that the one that is working, I will have it as a spare. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't be afraid to work on your car. Take care, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Bye now.